Let's have a conversation together now. Please answer my questions. Do you know who leads the government in your country? What's your favorite sport to play with a team? Have you ever had an idea for a fun game to play outside? How do you take care of your books? Have you ever fallen from a tree? Do you know any lawyer? Do you grow anything at home? What's your favorite way to help your community? Have you ever hurt your foot while playing? Can you name something you enjoy doing with your family? And now write down what you hear. Sometimes we fail, but it's okay because we learn from it. Failure is a part of life and help us grow stronger. We'll take the road that leads to the park for our picnic. In our society, we help each other every time we can. I'm tired. However, I'll finish my homework before bed. And now try to translate following sentences. I can create a beautiful drawing with these pencils. The war ended many years ago. The reason I like soccer is because it's so much fun to play. The sun will rise in the morning, bringing light to the world. Making a cake is a step-by-step process that I enjoy. My dad talks about political news during dinner sometimes. Mom has set the table for us to have dinner together. Eating too much fat can be unhealthy for your body. I heard a voice singing a beautiful song in the park. We have an English class every morning at school. And now create your own sentences from following words. Ban, several, large, field of study, exchange rate. Thank you. Bye.